have our cold barley tea. That looks very refreshing.
Taste.
Can you say?
Yum. Tim Ho Wan, Alabang Town Center. So, ito yung vlog natin today. So, nag-crave kami for Chinese food. So, we ordered different kinds of dumplings and also their rice meals. So, this is, ano pa that?
Barley. That's
cold
barley.
barley. No, cold barley. So, I think this is one of the best sellers nila sa cold drinks. So, masarap siya. So, must try.
Okay.
So, okay.
What did you order?
I ordered pork spare ribs.
Ah, okay.
Rice.
Good.
Yeah.
What's in there?
Spare ribs na, I think this is boneless ba? Init. Pero ito lagi kong in-order dito. Kasi masarap siya. Boneless yung, boneless to lagi. This is my favorite.
So, this looks like braised beef noodles.
Dry.
That's dry noodles.
Kasi may version sila na magkasama yung soup.
Okay. But this one, you have the option of using this broth
Yeah.
para ilagay doon. So it's gonna be like wet noodles or parang soup siya with brisket.
Then, optional kung gusto mong ilagay.
Yeah, that looks good. Sarap, Kuya Mick. Alright. Sige. You wanna try one of the dumplings? I'll do the rest.
Yeah, I
sige.
want.
Try. Which one?
This one.
So that looks like a spinach dumpling.
Yeah, kasi we're going for hakaw sana, no? Pero we...
We always eat the hakaw elsewhere.
Yeah.
So,
Pero ito, may shrimp din yata siya sa loob.
hmm.
So, this is new na in-order namin. Sarap. May spinach siya sa loob. So, this is a spinach dumpling talaga. Sarap.
Okay.
Yum. Yeah.
Okay. Last one.
And this one, vermicelli. Ito, favorite ko rin to. This is the vermicelli pork. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa meron ganito sa Binondo. Sa Waying's
Yeah.
Binondo. Masarap din yon. So, nag-crave ako. So, watch our, Binondo vlog. It's there.
Sarap.
Yeah. Favorite ko to. Ito
Ay, mas
talaga.
masarap yan o yung sa Waying?
Waying.
Waying pa rin.
Yeah.
Maybe
Pero-
because
pero
fresh
ano
Kasi
naman
medyo
siya?
nagantay na tayo ng ilang minutes before natin kinain eh.
Yeah.
I remember, may
Waying.
init pa yun eh. Wow. Galing.
Sige, later ka.
Okay.
Masarap to. Yeah. Favorite ko to. Actually, kaya ko ubusin isang ganito, isang order.
I'm gonna try yung beef nila. This is minced beef with egg. Lagi ko itong in-order. I feel like this is my safest choice. Most time, ayan. So, just to dissect what's inside, you have this minced beef patty.
Patty pala yan.
Para siyang para kang burger, no? But Chinese style.
Yeah.
And then you've got this egg, fried egg on top. They put in, but before you eat it, they drizzle a sauce dito, parang soy-based. Yeah, it's a soy-based sauce. And then it's really up to you what sort of condiments you'd like to put in. But in my case, I like it a bit spicy, so I would put chili oil.
So yung egg yan, Dad, ano yan?
Yeah.
Sunny side up or?
No, this is fried egg. Yeah, sunny side up egg.
I thought it's scrambled.
No. Sige. All right, I'm gonna take a bite out of this.
Okay.
I've had it so many times already, so I know what the taste like, but yeah, good. So immediately you can taste how fresh yung pork na ginamit, yung beef na ginamit nila. Alam mong bagong luto. It's still hot actually. And yeah, as you dig further, it's really up to you. You can mix it if you want. So the more you mix it, the more flavors will start coming out.
Yeah. So how about the dumplings?
So yeah, I like
favorite
it.
mo to no?
Huh?
Pork siomai.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Tim Ho Wan. This is
Ito.
Carlos' favorite naman here.
Ito staple na to sa akin actually. So I'm gonna use it. I'll dip it in chili oil. So okay, let's give it a shot. I can do this in one bite. It's really good.
Okay.
I can eat this siomai all day.
This one is new
This one we
First
just
time natin
ordered.
order to.
Yeah.
The spicy, what's that? Spicy dumpling?
This is spicy dumpling. It's pork still. But as you can see here, naliligo siya in chili oil, no?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna give it a try. This looks spicy, but I like it that way. Yeah. Yeah. Good. So, there's a bit of citrus dito. I think, I'm not sure what they used, pero there's a bit of sour taste, the usual hint of chili. It's not really spicy actually, okay lang. I mean, for me, I have a tolerance for heat, so I don't mind it. But yeah, this is actually good. What else we haven't tried?
Pork bun.
Pork bun, okay. That's my favorite here. Aside from the siomai, of course. Alright, I'm gonna... So, this is their pork bun. In case you didn't know, yung tinapay na ginamit nila dito is called pineapple bun. Not because it's made of pineapple, but it's because the big version of this looks like a big pineapple. So, when you open it up, you see, yeah, there's barbecued pork inside. Parang siopaw, no? Na traditional,
Yeah.
but what makes it really different is really the bread, the crust. So,
Hindi siya steamed, no? Baked
no, it's
siya.
not steamed, it's baked. Yeah. I don't know what to say. This is really good. Yeah. Really good. Alright, let's do the rest. We'll eat muna and then we'll give you our recap.
How much is our bill?
Went up to 1,759.
Nikita.
It's blurred out, but yeah, I don't think, yeah, it's not bad. It's well worth it for the price, I think. You pay for the quality, and obviously that's what you get. All of the dim sum that we've tried was really good, really fresh, freshly cooked. But if you have to put a finger on what your favorite is, what would that be?
Vermicelli. Mine is vermicelli, yung mahaba.
Yeah.
Yeah, the and pork, vermicelli. And then, of course, may rice meal.
Yeah, the rice meal was a close
Kasi,
second.
Yeah.
For me, it's always gonna be the pork bun. Kasi that's what they're best known for. Pero, because that's very a common answer, I'll go for the siomai. That was really, kasi laging lahat ng nakakausap ko, basta Tim Ho Wan, pork bun, that's the number one.
Kasi talaga masarap siya, no?
I don't think that's, it's a no-brainer. If you're ever here, always order the pork bun. But my close second was the siomai because that was immaculate. The taste was really fresh. Yeah, like I said, you can really feel or taste the quality. Yung shrimp nila, ang laki ng portion, and the pork was really tender.
Yeah, so, yun lang. Worth everything. We ordered a lot for 1,750. That's good for 3 na. Pero, they don't charge service charge. They don't have service charge, so let's give tip na lang.
Of course, yeah. It's not compulsory in the Philippines, but it's well appreciated, obviously.
Because they have friendly staff naman. They have friendly staff. So,
Okay.
yeah, that's all.
All right.
See you on our next vlog.
See you.
Hope you like this vlog, guys. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.